In today's video, Bailey and I are going to share some natural ingredient holiday decorations that you can make. We really had a lot of fun making these: cinnamon dough ornaments, fruit and spice garlands, and potpourri, which makes your house smell amazing. So definitely check the description below for some recipe outlines down there and some basic guidelines for some of the projects that we are doing. Hey Sugar Saps, welcome to the Textile Indie YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name's Brittany. If you're an old friend, welcome back. Glad to have you. I'm excited to share today's video. One of my favorite parts of the holiday season is getting to curl up with something warm to drink with people I love and enjoy doing projects together, or reading stories, or watching Christmas movies. I want to invite you to grab something warm to drink, and while you're watching this video, curl up with somebody you love, maybe a pet. Without further ado, let's get into the holiday spirit and make some decorations. Now we're gonna make some cinnamon dough. So we have our cinnamon, white glue, and water, mixing bowls, and our stirring spoons. And I have this collection of cookie cutters in holiday theme. Mix up this cinnamon dough and then roll it out and make ornaments. Well, we've successfully made our dough and coated our hands with about as much dough as we actually created. So we're gonna go wash up and then roll this out into a sheet. As you probably noticed, we had to make adjustments to what we were using. So our first change was that the recipe called for applesauce. I didn't want to waste applesauce on ornaments, so we used water instead. And then as we were mixing, you saw us add lots of extra glue. That's probably because we didn't use the applesauce and it needed something stickier to hold it together. Bailey is going to share the recipe that we did.
1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of glue, and 1.5 cups of cinnamon.
Due to the fact that this involves a lot of craft glue, I'm trying to wash everything as we go. The bowls that the glue was in, we washed right away, and the bowl that the dough was in, we're washing right away, just to ensure that it doesn't kick on. For these potpourri bags, I tied them up with a little string and added a label on them so that we could give them as gifts. And in each one, I put several slices of oranges, limes, lemons, some cranberries, cloves, and cinnamon sticks, and a star anise or two to each bag. When you're ready to use that, you're going to pour it into a little mini crock pot like this guy, or a pot on your stovetop. Add water to cover the ingredients, and then turn that on to medium-low so that it can start to warm up, and all of the scents from the cinnamon sticks and the star anise will start to fill your space with a beautiful scent. And I just keep adding water as it starts to simmer off, and I can use a batch of potpourri for about a week before it starts to go bad. So this I just poured in, so I'll allow this water to kind of simmer away. It's not a full simmer, but kind of evaporate over several days. I'll add more water each morning and keep it at low during the day. Make sure to turn it off at night for safety reasons, but you can turn it to low during the day and just have it running, and it makes it nice and festive in your space. Thanks so much for joining us in this natural ingredient holiday decoration video. I really had a lot of fun making all of the different ornaments and garlands and potpourri. It really does make your house smell amazing. It's a sweet addition to maybe decorations that you already have. We use normal ornaments on our Christmas tree, the shiny, glittery, sparkly kind. But I love having the oranges and the cinnamon sticks and cranberries sprinkled throughout the house in the garlands and things, because it just adds a touch of natural beauty and something that I know I made, and it holds good memories. That's why I make handmade decorations when I can. I hope you are enjoying the holiday season. If there's a tradition or something that you love to make during this season of the year, I'd love to hear about it. Leave a comment below. Like this video because it makes my heart happy and it supports our work here at Textile Indie. And thanks again for watching. It really means a lot to have you watch our videos and support what we're doing. Until next week, happy making. See you later. Bye.